Okay, so let's figure out this parallel circuit, right? So first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to draw and trace the current. So one current goes here, right, here. And then back to the, okay. And that current there is 120, right? So I'm doing V equals, the formula here is just V equals I. I equals V over R, right? So 120 divided by 35 equals, I'm going to store this in the variable A. I'm going to call that current A, and it's 3.429. Okay, that's that current. That's A. Okay, the next current goes like this, leaves the battery, and goes here, and goes there, goes here, and then goes back to the battery. Okay, and that's going to be 120 divided by 14, right? So I'm going to call that B is 120 divided by 14 divided by 14. And I'm going to store that in B, 8.571 amps. Okay, and then C will be this final one here, right? So it's going to be, C starts here, goes out here, goes there, goes back, and back to the battery, right? Okay, and this guy's going to be 120 over, I'll call that C, is 120 divided by 23. And that's 5.217. Okay, now let's look at what meters read what. Okay, A is going to read all of these guys, right? So A1 is going to be 3.429 plus 8.571 plus 5.217. Okay, and that's because all three of those go through A1. They have to get back to the battery, right? So that's going to be alpha A plus alpha B plus alpha C. 17.2 amps. Right, so that's that answer right there, right? Okay, let's see. A2 is going to be the same as A3. It's got the same two currents. It's got B and C going through it, right? That one's got B and C. Okay, so A1 is 8.571 equals A2, or A3. A2 equals A3 equals 8.571 plus 5.217. Right, so that's just B and C, alpha B plus alpha C. I'm storing these in registers in my calculator. 13.78, so 13.8. Right, and that's A3 and A2 and A3, so that's that answer and that answer. Okay, let's see, let's find A3, A3. Here's A4. Notice A4 is off on the side road. The only one going through it is just current A, right? So that just reads A. Okay, so A is 3.4. We've already figured that out, right? It's just 3.43, I guess, amps, right? Okay, so let's see, here's A5. Okay, so we gotta do A5. A5 is all by himself here, okay? And the only current going through it is C, right? So A5 is gonna be 5.22. Ta-da, that's that answer there. That guy looks happy and friendly, doesn't he? All right.